Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaway. We have an unboxing and a giveaway for you. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing a FabFitFun mystery bundle from their winter edit sale. One of the items in there, I don't know which one yet, haven't opened it up yet, so I have zero idea what's in this thing. We're giving away to one of you. My giveaways are really easy. Just make sure to watch the video in its entirety, give the video a like, and then somewhere in here will be a secret word that you're going to need to know. I'll also link in the description box down below my many other giveaways that I've got going on as well. As far as what I have on my eyes, it's the first day that I've played with it. It is the Juvia's Place Sweet Pinks palette. I mainly used these 4 shades right here. I think that you can really do with this one and this one and this one a really good everyday look. So like I said, this is the FabFitFun mystery bundle. So FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription. It ships out every season for $49. Halfway in between there, they have what they call their edit sales, where they put a bunch of stuff on sale. And you can also pick up a mystery bundle from that sale. You can also pick up mystery bundles from their seasonal sales as well. So that's what I did, is I picked up one of the mystery bundles. So I have zero idea what is in here. I do have a code for FabFitFun if you want to check them out. It'll save you $10 off your first box, so it'll bring that total down to $39. I purchased mine as an annual subscription. You get more choices that way when it comes to customizing your box, and it's actually cheaper in the long run if you are going to get all 4 of the seasonal boxes. I do also have a starter boxes to give away if that's something that you are interested in. So FabFitFun only ships to Canada, the US, and to the United Kingdom. And how their starter boxes work is I get your name and your email address. I give that to FabFitFun and then I delete it. And then FabFitFun will send you an email saying, hey, Christina recommended you to get a starter box. And you get a couple. It's smaller than their big seasonal boxes, but I think you get like 3 or 4 items in there, full-size items. And I think the retail's over $75, I believe. And you get the box for free. All you have to do is pay for shipping. And what they have you do is they have you sign up for the FabFitFun box for a membership, and then if you want to cancel it, you can, and you have 21 days to cancel that membership and you'll still get your starter box. So if you want that, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know how you guys are doing. I love chatting back and forth with you. The more people that like, the more people that comment, the more people that watch the video in its entirety, the more YouTube recommends my videos. So if you could help me out, that would be greatly appreciated. So let's dive in here and see what we got. So they don't give you like a price sheet or anything, so I'm gonna have to look up each of the items. So the first item in here is this really cute Mama Boss mug from Neon Bohemian. It is an 11-ounce mug. It says Neon Bohemian on this side. It does retail for $18. It says whether you're drinking your morning coffee, evening tea, or something in between, this mug's for your It's Steady and Glossy. This mug is for you. It's sturdy and glossy with a vivid print that'll withstand the microwave and dishwasher. It is ceramic, dishwasher, and microwave safe, white and glossy. Cute. So FabFitFun does send out skincare and makeup, and then they also send out like that lifestyle items and fitness items as well. I got a lot of ish items in my last box. Here is another ish item. It is their deluxe bronzer. I couldn't really find a whole lot of information on it. The only picture I had showed that these bristles were all black. This one has kind of more of an, you know, beige to black. It is super, super soft though. And it does retail for $22. And it just says the Ish Deluxe Bronzer here. Here is one from a brand that I love that I don't think gets the love that it should. They are amazing. This is from Rodial. It is the Dragon Blood XXL Lip Plumper. Retails for $30. Nourish and boost your lips volume instantly with this moisture-rich plumping miracle worker with a soft peach flavor and hydrating vitamin E and baboba oil. This non-sticky lip shine gives both immediate and long-term results for a visibly fuller and more plumping looking pout. Your lips will be left with a glossy, nourished looking finish and can be used on top of a matte lip color to give a hydration boost. Some of the key benefits are that it's the plumping complex, smooths lips, and gives visibly instant and long-term plumping results. The chili extract provides an instant tingling and a plumping sensation. And the Dragon's Blood extract comforts and restores lips through hydration. Looks like this. And then here it is your kind of bristle brush, and just give it a couple pumps, let the serum come out, and away you go. So I'm excited to try this one. So the next four, actually the last four, are 4 different lip products from Millie Rose. We have 2 different formulas in here. So this is the Laura. It's a sheer coral flecked with gold shimmer. Our lip shine formula provides full coverage shimmer and color without drying, thanks to the hydrating and shea butter and vitamin E. Like all Millie Rose products, the liquid lipstick is paraben and cruelty free. Does retail for $18. This one, what a pretty one for Valentine's Day, is the Lip Shine Valentini. It's a classic red lip with just a touch of pink for a perfect juicy pout. The ultra pigmented lip shine nourishes and moisturizes your smile with vitamin E and shea butter. Glossy, non-drying formula glides on smoothly and lasts all throughout your day. Retails for $18. This next one is a lip suede one. It is in the shade Gigi, and it's a sexy and sophisticated chestnut rose. Our ultra pigmented lip suede nourishes and moisturizes your smile with vitamin E and shea butter. Creamy, non-drying matte formula glides on smoothly and lasts all throughout your day. Secret word, Fab Fit Fun. And then the last one is a lip suede in beans. What a crazy name for a lip color. It is a neutral, alluring shade in Just Been Kissed Terracotta Pink. Creamy high coverage liquid lipstick glides on easily and stays put all throughout the day. Our lip suede formula provides rich matte color without drying thanks to the hydration with the shea butter and the vitamin E. So my thoughts on the box. I've had better. This was not one of my favorite boxes. Not by a long shot. Retails $145. The bundle itself cost me $29. I don't do a ton of liquid lipsticks, so, I mean, it's a brush, the mug, I could do without. This was the only one that I'm excited about, and that retails for $30. So it's, by the time you pay for shipping, you might as well just have bought this. So not my favorite box. I have gotten some really good boxes from them in the past, but this one was definitely not. So let's give away one of the items though. Let's do from Millie Rose, the suede lipstick in Beans. I just know it's a shade that I probably wouldn't wear, so I'm happy to give that to one of you guys. So my giveaways, like I said, are really easy. Just watch the video in its entirety and know that secret word and like the video. Down in the description box is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify yes you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure to also put on it the secret word. Make sure to only fill out the Google form link once. Let's have the giveaway go through February 14th, and then on February 17th, we'll announce the winners. I'll probably do the spin the wheel. You guys seem to like that when I do it that way. That way you guys know it's absolutely fair to everyone. And then I do put in there if people have bonus entries or not. How you can get bonus entries is if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty Ama, A-M-A, and the letter B. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. Like I said, I'm really trying hard to grow the channel here. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is just me giving back to you. I love being a little ray of sunshine. Some of you guys have even dubbed me the queen of giveaways, and I will happily take that title. I tried to do a giveaway from each of my unboxings. You must be 18 years or older in order to enter the giveaway. So YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you. I invite you to watch them if you haven't already. I also invite you to subscribe to the channel. We're such a fun, positive group here, no drama, and it's just really fun supporting other people in our community. So I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.